Today we make a test. These are fixed frequency jammer. This is coin acceptor anti-EMP track, like this, no function. Anti-EMP is a material from metal, so not working. Here it's working. Here it's working. Now we change another model. This one with a fixed and mixed frequency. Button 1 is a mixed frequency. Button 2 is a direction frequency, fixed frequency. The power is bigger, and we test the coin acceptor. Can working. Here not working. Not stable. Okay. Button 1 is mixed frequency. Now we test the big power trap. Button 1 is a mixed frequency. Powerful. Can working. Okay. But this one no extend antenna. And the big side. Last, this is a new one. New one is with mix at a fixed frequency. Yes, it's working, right? Very stable. Anti-alarm and can pass through the metal. Very stable. Very nice. Very nice.